First, the sludge is pumped into the metering tank by the sludge transfer pump, where the flow rate is precisely controlled. Any excess sludge automatically returns to the sludge storage tank through the return pipe, ensuring stable and continuous feeding into the system. The metered sludge then enters the flocculation mixing tank, where it is fully stirred and mixed with an accurately dosed polymer coagulant. This process forms stable flocks and prepares the sludge for efficient dewatering. After flocculation, the sludge flows into the dehydration unit through the sludge inlet. In the front concentration zone, gravity separation takes place, allowing a large amount of free water to be discharged. As the sludge moves forward, the internal pressure inside the chamber gradually increases, continuously compressing the sludge and achieving effective dehydration. At the discharge end, a back pressure plate creates resistance, further increasing the internal pressure and ensuring the sludge is fully dewatered before being discharged as a compact mud cake. For sludge thickening applications, the concentrated sludge is discharged directly from the outlet, without a back pressure plate.